Hi, I'm Michel Lejeune and I want to tell you something about sugar addiction. The first thing you have to understand is that everything that we do is managed by our brains. Without our minds, we would do absolutely nothing. The self is controlled by that gray mass, the brain, so we'll need to focus on it in order to explain our eating habits. Maybe you're aware that the human brain, rough spoken, consists of two parts, and by this I mean the consciousness and the subconscious, not the two halves of the brain. This was discovered long ago by Sigmund Freud and expanded upon, amongst others, by Dr. Milton H. Erickson, the psychiatrist and psychologist. The subconscious is just like a powerful computer. It only does what it is programmed to do. Conditioning, which is an example of this, works in exactly the same way. For example, a child who's experienced pain is comforted with a piece of candy. If the comfort lasts longer than 21 seconds, the negative feeling becomes associated with receiving something positive, which results in a positive feeling. And that's really quite basic. If this pattern is repeated often, more of these types of connections or conditionings are embedded and are activated by numerous possible triggers. In this case, the subconscious links the negative emotion to the receipt of something good, leading to a positive emotion. As a result, your child at an adult age or earlier will continue associating negative emotions with food. This pattern will persist until it's identified and actively disconnected in the subconscious. Then, changes can take place to stop the emotional eating. Here's another example. Producers and suppliers advertise on TV, radio, in newspapers, magazines, on highway billboards, etc. Advertising is everywhere. It exploits positive experiences or images that make people feel good. Examples include children at play, laughing people, and small animals seen daily on TV commercials. Okay, so now you feel good, and then the products are incorporated into the plot and into your collection of unconscious triggers. Eventually, you will, on a subconscious level and without noticing, associate the products with positive emotions. And guess what? This is one of the main causes of a sugar addiction. I can literally talk hours on this subject because there are so many more aspects related to the how and why about sugar addiction. But it all boils down to this. A sugar addiction is something in the unconscious mind, and if we want to get rid of this addiction, we have to change something there in the subconscious mind. Alright, so we have to deal with the source. What we should do is, instead of tackling the symptoms, understand the problem, which I hope you do now, and deal with the source. So we have to reprogram part of your subconscious programming that causes your craving for sweet things. There are a number of techniques by which we can directly reprogram the subconscious, and the most effective is the use of a hypnosis session. It's quick and safe, and you literally get rid of your addiction within 45 minutes. All you have to do is listen to the session to get absolutely positive results, guaranteed. With Overcome Sugar Addiction, I can help you break free from your addiction to sugar within 45 minutes. You'll gain the willpower to escape the grip of your sugar addiction, while your ideas and feelings regarding sugar will change forever. Sweets and sugar will cease to play a role in your life, and as a result, your sugar consumption will decrease significantly. Your desire for sweet things will completely disappear after this session. You'll escape the negative effects that sugar has on your life, and you will become healthier and slimmer. Don't be a slave to sugar. Overcome sugar addiction. Buy this session today and improve your life now.